Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel name. Today we journey to a place where joy and serenity reside, a clutter-free home. We'll be crafting 5 simple yet transformative DIY organizers, perfectly suited for even the smallest of homes. These projects are not only functional, but also add a touch of personal style to your space. These organizers will help you tidy with purpose, keeping what you love visible and accessible, while tucking away the rest. Imagine a home where everything has its place, making your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's gather our materials and embark on this joyful journey of organization. From simple desk organizers to creative storage solutions, we have something for everyone. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started. The desk, a place for creativity and productivity. This organizer will restore order to your workspace and inspire you to create with a clear mind. We begin with a simple wooden board, like a blank canvas awaiting our touch. Arrange small wooden blocks to create compartments for your favorite items. Secure the dividers with wood glue, sand any rough edges, and personalize with paint or stain. The entryway is where our journey begins and ends each day. It's the first thing we see when we leave and the first thing that welcomes us back home. This space sets the tone for our daily adventures and provides a sense of order and calm. This wall-mounted organizer will keep essential items right at your fingertips, ensuring you never misplace your keys or forget important mail. Start with a sturdy wooden board, which will serve as the foundation of your organizer. Add small hooks for keys and bags, making it easy to grab and go. Incorporate a small shelf for mail, sunglasses, or other daily essentials. Mount this organizer to the wall, envisioning it as a guardian of order and a stylish addition to your home. Choose colors and finishes that complement your entryway, creating a welcoming atmosphere that reflects your personal style and makes a great first impression. Chapter 3. Multi-Purpose Hanging Organizer. Perfect for small spaces, it maximizes vertical space while keeping your belongings tidy. Use sturdy fabric like canvas or felt, and cut it to create pockets of varying sizes. Secure the pockets with stitches or fabric glue. Thread a wooden dowel through the top for structure. Hang this organizer in your bathroom, bedroom, or craft room, keeping only what sparks joy. Chapter 4. Minimalist Drawer Dividers. Drawers can often become hidden sources of stress. Using thin plywood or sturdy cardboard, create a customized grid system tailored to your needs. Measure your drawer and cut the dividers. Arrange them within the drawer, adjusting as needed. For an extra touch, consider covering them with decorative paper or paint. Chapter 5. Hidden Storage Box. Minimalism is about cherishing what sparks joy and finding discreet storage solutions. Choose a wooden box that speaks to your personal style. Create a secret compartment by cutting a false bottom and attaching it with small hinges. Decorate the box with fabric, wallpaper, or paint. Let this box be a reflection of your unique personality, a beautiful way to store cherished items. Chapter 7. DIY Closet Organizer. Closets can often become cluttered and overwhelming. This project will help you create a functional and organized closet space. Start by measuring your closet and planning the layout. Use shelves, hanging rods, and storage bins to maximize space. Consider adding a shoe rack or a jewelry organizer for added convenience. Personalize your closet with decorative touches like wallpaper or paint. This project will transform your closet into a tidy and stylish space. Chapter 8. Minimalist Kitchen Storage Solutions. A clutter-free kitchen makes cooking and meal prep more enjoyable. Start by decluttering your kitchen and getting rid of items you no longer use. Use drawer dividers, shelf organizers, and storage containers to keep everything in its place. Consider adding a pegboard for hanging pots and pans. Personalize your kitchen with decorative touches like plants or artwork. This project will help you create a functional and beautiful kitchen space. Chapter 9. DIY Bathroom Organizer. Bathrooms can quickly become cluttered with toiletries and other items. This project will help you create a tidy and organized bathroom space. Start by decluttering your bathroom and getting rid of items you no longer use. Use shelves, baskets, and storage containers to keep everything in its place. Consider adding a towel rack or a shower caddy for added convenience. Personalize your bathroom with decorative touches like candles or artwork. This project will transform your bathroom into a relaxing and organized space. Chapter 10. Minimalist Living Room Decor. A clutter-free living room creates a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Start by decluttering your living room and getting rid of items you no longer use. Use shelves, storage bins, and furniture with built-in storage to keep everything in its place. Consider adding a coffee table with storage or a media console with shelves. Personalize your living room with decorative touches like plants or artwork. This project will help you create a stylish and functional living room space. Chapter 11. DIY Home Office Organizer. A clutter-free home office boosts productivity and creativity. Start by decluttering your home office and getting rid of items you no longer use. Use shelves, drawer dividers, and storage containers to keep everything in its place. Consider adding a bulletin board or a whiteboard for added convenience. Personalize your home office with decorative touches like plants or artwork. This project will help you create a functional and inspiring home office space. And there you have it, my friends. 5 simple yet transformative DIY organizers to spark joy and bring peace to your home. These organizers are not just about decluttering, they are about creating a sanctuary where you can relax and feel at ease. True minimalism is about surrounding yourself with things you love and creating a space that reflects your values. It's about intentional living and making mindful choices that enhance your well-being. Approach your tidying journey with a grateful heart and a joyful spirit. Remember, it's not just about the end result, but also about enjoying the process and finding peace in the act of organizing. Embrace the items that spark joy, giving them a designated space where they can shine. By doing so, you create a harmonious environment that supports your daily life and brings you happiness. Until next time, happy tidying. Keep creating spaces that reflect your true self and bring you peace.